Hello, I'm Subin Lim. Today I will present a paper titled SRB Track, Terrain Adaptive Tracking of a Single Rigid Body Character Using Momentum Mapped Space-Time Optimization. This paper is published in SIGGRAPH Asia 2025. The goal of this paper is to propose a character motion controller that can adapt to diverse terrain. As shown in the examples, the character needs to move naturally not only on flat ground but also on uneven surface, slopes, and other challenging environments. Existing methods have different limitations. Physics-based controllers can generate physically stable motions, but they often work well only in the environments where they were trained. When the terrain changes, their generalization performance can drop. On the other hand, kinematic controllers are flexible and can generate diverse motion more easily. However, because they do not directly simulate physical dynamics, they can produce artifacts such as foot sliding or foot penetration. To overcome this limitation, SRB Track simplifies the character as a single rigid body or SRB. The controller does not directly simulate or full body joint. Instead, it tracks the reference motion using compact physical features such as center of mass or COM, momentum, and foot contacts. The predicted foot targets are adjusted to the terrain, and a QP solver computes the contact forces for physically feasible motion. Then the generated SRB motion is reconstructed into full body motion. This allows the method to combine physical stability with natural full body animation and improve generalization to new terrain and external perturbations. In this slide, I will explain the overall framework of SRB Track. The method proposed in SRB Track is essentially a framework for tracking a reference motion in a physically feasible way. Therefore, the input is first given as reference motion. During training, this reference motion comes from GT motion clips, while at inference time, it can come from the output of kinematic motion planners, such as motion VAE or motion grab. From this motion, information such as center of mass, pelvis orientation, and foot state is extracted and converted into a reference SRB state sequence. Next, the SRB policy observes the current SRB state and the near future reference SRB states and predicts the action for the next motion step. This action includes the how to move the COM, where to place the feet, and how to set the contact states of both feet. Then the foot position predicted by the policy are projected onto the terrain surface and, if necessary, adjusted to a safe region near edges. After that, the QP solver computes the contact forces required at those contact locations. These contact forces are external forces applied to the foot contact point of the SRB character, and SRB simulator use them to forward simulate the dynamics and update the next SRB state. However, since the SRB is a simplified model that represents the character as a single rigid body, it does not contain actual full body joint motion. Therefore, in the lower stage, a CVA-based full body predictor takes the SRB trajectory as input and predicts a sequence of full body poses. Finally, the predicted full body motion is refined through momentum mapped space-time optimization, or MMSTO. MMSTO uses the COM and momentum information obtained from the SRB to make the predicted pose smoother and more physically feasible. In summary, this framework first generates physically stable motion at the SRB level and then reconstruct it into full-body motion. This two-stage structure allows the system to robustly track reference motions even under diverse terrains and external perturbation. This slide shows the result of SRB track. The top row shows terrain adaptation. Although the model is trained only on flat terrain, at inference time it can stably track reference motions on new terrain such as uneven terrain, stair-like terrain, and stepping stones. The bottom row shows unseen motion tracking. Even when a reference motion was not included in training data, SRB track can still follow it in a physically feasible way and reconstruct it as full-body motion. Overall, these results show that SRB track can generalize to diverse terrain and new motion using a single policy trained only on flat terrain. To conclude, SRB track combines an SRB-based simplified physics model, an RL tracking policy, CVA-based full-body reconstruction, and MMSTO refinement into a terrain adaptive character tracking framework. The key idea is to add physical stability and interaction capability to kinematic motion synthesis without requiring complex full-body physics control or large task-specific demonstrations. However, there are still limitations. Since perturbation recovery is mainly policy-driven, recovery motions can become noisy in highly out-of-distribution simulation. Also, the CPU-based QP solver remains a training bottleneck. Thank you.